So this is the ride we're gonna ride. Hiccup Wind Gliders. So it says 45 minutes. So let's get in it. This is a roller coaster. So sign me up for any roller coasters.
Welcome in, Vikings! Stand by right down the middle. Express, come see me.
No carry-on bags. Oh man. So that's cool. They have water fountains. This is a pretty long line.
Sometimes it's 12:20.
Alright. So I just placed my backpack in the locker. And since I'm a partner one, I'm able to just skip all of these lines. And we're almost there.
Yeah, he'll go to the Guardians. He loves that one.
Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. Look, nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, soar over the boat just like a dragon. Let's get out the fishy action. Yay! There's nothing burning or horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving.
Go backwards.
Gang, I was kidding. We need to get out of here. And they're happy. Okay. Hello. You can join Toothless and me.
It wasn't that bad.
Anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah, Toothless, quit sliding my face. I just brushed my tail. Now gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields and prepare to exit the window. Don't leave anything behind. I don't want to chase down some crazy dragon because they thought your axe was a throw toy.
Was so good. Oh my god. I liked it very much.
Are you sure?
Let's head out because I want to go to Nintendo Land.